Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the new feature or the new mode of multiplayer game. What it is? This is the arena. So what you need to do is uh, click the multiplayer, click the game feature at the bottom of screen. This is the arena. So what is arena? As usually you play by only two team face each other or by versus both team. uh, the first team score more point is win the match, but this arena is different. As you can see, you can read the rule here, the question mark. You can read it. There are three teams in total in here, so it will be quite different. The last remaining team at the end of each round score point. The first team to score 2 points is win the match. And also you don't need to prepare your loadout, because to prepare the battle you have to purchase the class, the modes, and the item for the shop. So this is a new mode. So let's get jump to the game. Welcome to arena. This is round 1. What you need to do is choose your loadout first, click your loadout, and before the game begin, you you can purchase, you can make a preparation here, like the modes, the class, what you need to do, and this is the credits you can purchase by spend the credit 1000. Okay, let's jump to the game. I choose a poltergeist purchase. Okay, let's jump to the game. There are three teams in here, so I have to make a point. So enjoy the game. I mean, uh, thanks for today. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the text button below. Enjoy the game.